students, I am here with another sample of the fourth group I have taken here, and very first we will do the examine of this here to find out one cation and one anion. For proceeding, we will start first with the anion test, and for that we will do it very first with the dilute H2SO4 and we will observe what is happening here, and then we will proceed for the concentrated H2SO4, and if still I will not get anything, then we will move for the sulfate and phosphate test. So let's start. Very first I am taking this small sample with this spatula here, and I am adding here dilute H2SO4 and we will see what will happen here. This is your dilute H2SO4. So just I am adding here little bit slowly, and we can see here nothing is happening here inside. Okay, so we will move for the concentrated H2SO4. Now we are going to add we are doing the examination with the concentrated H2SO4, and I have taken again a small sample and adding here test tube holder because we are handling the concentrated H2SO4. Just be careful, it is dangerous. So I am adding little bit concentrated H2SO4 here, and we will observe something will happen or not. I think here it is no gas is going to be evolving and no smell is coming. So now we will heat it little bit and we will observe if something will happen or not. So nothing is going to be happen by heating. We will heat it gently, otherwise it will bump it out. So we will be very careful. So I am heating it and nothing is happening here. So it is near to boil and still no vapor is coming. So we can conclude it with the concentrated H2SO4. No observation is happening here, right? So we can leave it and we will move for the next for the sulfate test, because till now we have done with the dilute H2SO4 and concentrated H2SO4 and we have not got anything. So we will move for the another test with the sulfate test. It will come or not. So very small amount of salt we will take here, and we will make the clear transparent solution, and then we will add the barium chloride. So it is a BaCl2 test. If sulfate will present here, then after addition of BaCl2 it will give you the white precipitate immediately, otherwise it will remain as transparent. Then we will move for the phosphate test. So I am going to add here barium chloride. So this is your barium chloride here, and I am going to add it here a little bit, and we will observe sulfate is present here or not. So just a moment. So just observe it carefully. I am adding BaCl2 slowly and we will observe here. So just it is going here. Yes, you can observe it. White precipitate is observing here. So it means in this given sample sulfate is present here, right? So very first let me clear that group reagent for the group 4 is NH4Cl plus NH4OH, and after that we have to pass the H2S gas inside that, then your group reagent is completed. So let's start the examination and do the practical. So very little amount of sample I have taken here, and I have added here distilled water to make it clear solution, transparent clear solution, and then we will add ammonium chloride, and then we will add ammonium hydroxide, and after that it will give you the some colorish appearance, and we will pass the H2S gas here. So this is your salt plus ammonium chloride. Now a few drops of ammonium hydroxide I am adding here, drop by drop, till its ammonical smell. Now I can smell this ammonical smell. Right? So it is making little bit turbid, but it is a transparent solution. Now I have to pass H2S gas here, and this is your little bit H2S gas is coming here, and you can observe which color we can observe here. So it is coming pinkish color appearance, creamy pink. You can observe it here. Yes or no? Please tell me everyone. the pinkish creamy color is appearing here, it is indicating our manganese may be present, because in the group 4 the things are coming. If you are adding H2S gas, if black precipitate will come, then cobalt and nickel indicating. If pink is coming, then it is supposed to be manganese is present here. Or if buff white or off white is coming, it is zinc will be present here. So it is not a white, so it is appearing as a light pink or buff pink color. So we can conclude that manganese may be present here. Let's do the confirmatory test for manganese, and for that we have the two experiments with the ammonium sulfate, ammonium sulfide, or you can say that with the ammonium hydroxide, it will give you the white PPT. So we are going to do with the ammonium hydroxide, and it will give you the, if in original solution ammonium hydroxide will the white PPT, then your manganese will be confirmed. So let's start it once again. I am taking the small amount of sample and I am adding the distilled water here, making for its original solution. Right, this is your distilled water I have made here, and its original solution is ready. Now I am going to add a little bit more water. Yes, now it's almost dissolved. Now we are adding here ammonium hydroxide, drop by drop. Let's see what will happen. Yes, it is coming. PPT, white PPT you can observe at the base. You can observe it here. Solution is light yellow color, but inside here white PPT is coming. So it's confirming the manganese here, right? Thank you. So now we can conclude that given sample is containing manganese as a cation and sulfate as an anion. So given sample is manganese sulfate.